Xiaomi has officially published the first list of devices that will receive the HyperOS update. Remember that this is the new operating system that some also call customization layer because it is still based on Android. However, it brings many new features, and the main one of them is that its weight has been greatly reduced to be much lighter and without bugs. This new operating system debuted with the launch of the Xiaomi 14 series, and after its official debut, this manufacturer made a publication of the list of devices that will receive before anyone else this update. The list is headed by the Mix Fold 3 as well as Mix Fold 2. It is followed by the Xiaomi 13 series, including the Ultra model, the Pro model, and the Standard model. Then the Xiaomi Pad 6 series is present, including the Max model, the Pro model, and the Standard model. Then the Redmi K60 series is present with its different variants such as Extreme Edition, Pro, and Standard. These will be the devices that will receive the update in the month of December and January. However, in the initial stage, it will be a China-only update. The global update is likely to arrive months later. However, there is also a second batch of devices that will receive this update headed by Xiaomi 12 Pro and 12. Also present is the Redmi K50 Extreme Edition and Gaming Edition. It is followed by the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, 12S Pro, and 12S. Also present is the Xiaomi 12 Pro Dimensity Edition, Redmi K50 Pro and K50, and the Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro 12.4. Remember that some Redmi models are rebranded to be launched globally under the Poco brand. Therefore, Poco F5, Poco F4, and Poco F4 GT will also be present. Please remember that this is a first list and does not mean that if your device is not on this list, it will never be updated again. However, Xiaomi has many devices in their catalog, and so it is highly likely that they are going to take a long time to update each of their devices. As soon as we have more information on a third batch of devices to receive this update, I will let you know through this channel. For now, we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know you can let me know, and I'll see you next time.